1 in 5 new car buyers now carries a payment over $1,000 a month, and the average loan runs nearly 6 years. Nobody plans that. It happens one reasonable-sounding payment at a time, because a payment is not a price. It is a costume a price wears. This workbook takes the costume off. 14 connected tabs, Excel and Google Sheets. 1 rule: the total signs the deal, never the payment. Meet the shipped sample. Maya Torres is demonstration data, not a customer, and her numbers are the file's own arithmetic. Her dealer worksheet arrived with $2,801 of add-ons already printed on it. Nitrogen in the tires, fabric protection, a prepaid plan. The decoder defaults every one of them to no. She kept $308 of the stack she actually wanted, and $24.93 stayed in her pocket. That is the whole philosophy. Every line becomes a choice. Chapter 1. Type the payment a store quoted you, and the trap tab prices it at every term. At 36 months, for $99 a month, buys a $15,900 car. At 84 months, the same $499 buys a $32,000 car, and bills you the difference in years and interest. The grid below it does the same for every payment from $299 to $899 at your own rate. Read it left to right, and the word month stops being a lever on you. Chapter 2. The decoder rebuilds the whole stack: negotiated price, trade credit, sales tax, doc fee, title, registration, and the add-on table. Notice the cream cells. Your state's tax rate and whether trade and credit reduces the taxable base are typed by you, with a source, because they are state rules and this file refuses to guess them. The number at the bottom, 32140 for Maya, is the only number that should ever be negotiated, and there is a phone script on the tab for asking it. Chapter 3. Before any lot, the file asks what a car may take from each paycheck. Maya set 12% of take-home, $221. Then it totals the honest line: loan, insurance, fuel, and the sinking funds for tires and repairs. For her sample deal, that is $427 a check, nearly double the ceiling, and the file says so in red. The most useful thing a budget can do is refuse. Cheaper insurance, more down, or a cheaper car, never a longer term. Chapter 4. 5 candidate cars, every computed row: payment, cost per paycheck, fuel from your miles, insurance from real quotes, and the 5-year total. Down payment plus 60 payments plus running costs, minus your own resale estimate. In the sample, the used Meridian wins at $36,640 while the electric crossover finishes last, not because of the plug, but because of the resale estimate typed into its column. Change the estimate, the ranking obeys. Rank is computed here, never felt. Under the hood, 1,283 formulas across 14 tabs, recalculated headlessly and re-derived in independent code. 496 checks, all green. There is a loan lab that runs a second offer beside the first, so a pre-approval can duel the dealer, and a 2026 loan interest deduction tab that computes what the new rules are worth at your income. New, U.S. assembled vehicles, with the phase-out done properly. And the dashboard grades Maya's sample deal 3 of 6. The file is comfortable telling you no. That is the point. If this is the year you replace the car, take the file with you. The car buying command center is $26.97 on Etsy. The link is in the description. Instant download, for themes, Excel and Google Sheets, free updates for life. Buy the car, not the payment.